What's up, my people? It's your boy Soup, not the aka at the verse. This morning now, this morning at the verse. At the verse for a set of people where be say the day Europe and Nigeria. So people just in Nigeria now, Okada they do. Before they come out for house, they go hold 6,000 naira. When they fair work for 3 days, they Okada and go work. Based on say, they know say if they want go wash machine, they go see their mate where they do Okada go wash machine for there to just show them to frustrate their life. Now they go first they ask you a question say how far now we about you don't work I work today. Now I will say I thank God now 2005 now I work. Now I work past you now 2000 you work. You can go carry that sister and we carry for house. Cause they can't join the one when you work today. Can't for a pleasant. They tell us say now 8,000 now I work today. You know, if you tell us say now 2,000 you work today, now for you to just frustrate your life, now you just come for. And this person now, you go come tomorrow, you can't go work where they close for 6 o'clock before. You go come work, 12 o'clock in the night, he never close for work. Because he find 8,000 or he get accidents, he no come out for work. And those set of people they let this kind like give people, una be wish. Why una life be like this? Why una life be like this? People you dey Europe they will do show that 20 years old that they see you. If they come, they see they are made for inside train. They will come to tell us how far now, I work today, how much you go. That one will tell us say now 30 years I work. You come pack you when you get come out, you go the counter for inside train to just frustrate that person life. Will tell us say now today now 380 euro now I work. That one now tomorrow now you come the reason I say 20 euro when they work in Orange. Tomorrow you can go supermarket, you go stay there where even supermarket you go even close, you go stay there. Or the police go arrest them for that front of supermarket. You know come on for there. Una they frustrate people life because of una lie. Una they frustrate people life. Una go Nigeria, una go carry Venza rent them for 3 months. Una go pay 300,000. If you come Europe, you know if you tell them say na rent you rent them, you go tell them say you buy that Venza 8 million. So for you to just make this one not go Nigeria again, so that because say if you don't go drive that Venza 8 million, you go to find 8 million. Now that 8 million will come fire police will go arrest them for where they do the thing where they do. You go prison, they rot for prison there, and you go there outside. You go there happy. Why una life be like this? Why una life they useless like this? Why would be say una can never give person encourage maybe say will make person better for life. Now for you to just frustrate the person, people go come, they go tell person say, I buy 300 by 300 for Ekpoma, I buy 200 by 200 for Oromi, I buy 100 by 100 for Agbo. Whereas they never even get 200 by 200. And this one self now be get money when they plan to buy 50 by 50. Because of that word where you tell her now, you know agree buy that 150 by 50 again, go they find money, make it fee buy 300 by 300. That money before you go complete it now, police go catch her for road, you will go prison. And you go there outside, you go there outside, you go there outside, you go there happy. You go there happy, you say God they happy with you. You they use your lies to frustrate people life. Why una life they miserable? Why would be say una can never tell person the truth? Una only they give person lie when it would be say the person will too frustrate for life. All those set of people, they be wish. They know what make you better. If you see those people, they run for them. Una be wish. Una can never tell the person truth except lie. Why una life be like this? Why una life be like this? Very anyhow people. At the verse this morning.